Welcome to our video about home remedies to control diabetes. If you have high blood sugar levels and are considering trying home remedies to control diabetes, you should know that they can take up to 2 weeks to work. They also involve strict dietary restrictions and an exercise routine. While using these methods, you should make sure to consult the doctor in case your blood sugar levels continue to rise. Even though home remedies to control diabetes are very effective, you should always maintain a healthy lifestyle to ensure that your blood sugar levels remain stable and healthy. Mango leaves regulate insulin levels in the body. Researchers have long believed that mango leaves are beneficial for managing diabetes. Recent studies show that mango leaf extracts can improve the production of insulin and regulate blood sugar levels. They also improve glucose absorption and insulin secretion. This may be due to the presence of pectin, fiber, and vitamin C in mango leaves. They also help reduce bad cholesterol. Further, mango leaves are a great food source for diabetics. According to a Facebook post, mango leaves can be used as an effective remedy for diabetes. The leaves are dried and then ground into powder for consumption. An infusion made from the leaves can be used for treating diabetes and other health conditions. Mango leaf extracts have also shown promising results in treating type 2 diabetes. However, this natural remedy must be tested thoroughly before it can be used to manage the disease. It is not advisable to drink large amounts of the plant's extracts. However, the study itself is not conclusive, as it is small and not controlled by a control group. The results of the study depend on how well the researchers controlled the study's variables. Smaller sample size means that some outliers are more likely to be included in the study. In addition, the study is an exploratory study, which means that a control group is not included. This lack of a control group makes it more difficult to control unforeseen variables. A placebo effect is not completely eliminated, and a 12-week supplementation might not be sufficient to affect metabolic changes. Fenugreek seeds are a fibrous herb. The present study compared the effects of fenugreek on the progression of diabetes in prediabetes and in diabetic patients. It found that the risk of diabetes development was reduced by up to 14% in the fenugreek group. The results are encouraging as they suggest that fenugreek is a natural, safe and effective treatment for diabetes. The bitter taste of fenugreek makes it an excellent herb for controlling diabetes. It contains a compound called 4-hydroxysoleucine, which controls excessive starch conversion to sugar. This substance has high soluble fiber content and delays the absorption of sugar. It contains an aminoalkanoic acid known as 4-hydroxysoleucine, which is believed to have anti-diabetic effects. The plant also contains 2-oxoglutarate molecules, which stimulate insulin production. The seeds of fenugreek have a bitter nutty flavor and are commonly used in spice blends. It is also used in Indian recipes, especially curries. They can also be used in pickles and sauces. Fenugreek seeds are a great addition to any diabetes meal plan and are also considered safe for pregnant and breastfeeding women. The fenugreek plant is rich in soluble fiber, which lowers blood sugar. This fiber also slows the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. Fenugreek seeds are believed to be a natural treatment for diabetes. Multiple studies have been conducted to test fenugreek's anti-diabetic effects. Fenugreek helps to improve most metabolic symptoms of diabetes and even increases glucose tolerance. Drumstick leaves are a diuretic. It has long been known that drumstick leaves can be beneficial for people suffering from diabetes. These leaves are packed with protein, which helps reduce hunger pangs between meals. They also provide an excellent source of energy without the negative effects of sugar. Although drumstick leaves are not a diuretic per se, they are helpful as an adjunct to an active lifestyle. In addition, there have been reports of side effects when the recommended dosage is exceeded. And because moringa contains significant amounts of antioxidants, it has the potential to help prevent cardiovascular complications, including heart attack and stroke. The leaves of the drumstick tree are a good source of vitamin C and vitamin K. They also contain other nutrients, such as magnesium. Drumstick is also known as the miracle tree, and it is found in many parts of the world. It is a very important tree and plant from India, with an enormous nutritional profile. It is an extremely inexpensive crop and is very beneficial for diabetics. The prevalence of diabetes has increased throughout the world, and its consequences are significant in terms of human and economic capital. If the disease can be treated without expensive pharmaceuticals, this could help people to prevent diabetes. Additionally, pharmaceuticals are expensive and often have side effects on the patient. The literature review included ethnobotanical and biological studies and included several recipes based on drumstick leaves. The researchers identified several uses for drumstick leaves, including diabetes and high blood pressure. Apple cider vinegar lowers cholesterol levels. Using apple cider vinegar as a home remedy to control diabetes has many health benefits. Not only is it a natural remedy that can lower cholesterol levels, but it also has been used for centuries for its potential to treat high blood pressure. One study in the American Journal of Hypertension found that people who took apple cider vinegar for 12 weeks saw a significant reduction in their blood pressure. This result was not only due to the fact that they stopped taking anti-diabetic pills but also because the vinegar lowered their waist size. In a study published in 2012, researchers measured the baseline cholesterol levels of participants and then administered 30 milliliters of apple cider vinegar twice a day. After 2, 4, and 8 weeks, the researchers measured the participants' cholesterol levels again. The results were positive for all the participants, and those with the highest cholesterol levels were the ones who took the vinegar the most. As a result, the researchers concluded that apple cider vinegar is effective in lowering cholesterol levels. Despite being popular, studies on ACV have not conclusively proven that it works as a home remedy to control diabetes. The American Diabetes Association has reviewed the evidence on the effectiveness of vinegar for controlling blood sugar. In fact, it may even help diabetics improve their insulin sensitivity. The best way to incorporate ACV into your diet is through detox drinks. But before beginning a new regimen, be sure to consult your doctor. Eggs are a good source of protein. While it may seem like a paradox, eggs can be beneficial for people with diabetes. In fact, eating one large egg daily may lower your risk of developing diabetes and improve your overall health. While research remains inconclusive, it is believed that dietary cholesterol may not have as dramatic an effect on blood cholesterol levels as previously thought. But while eating eggs can help you keep a healthy weight, it's important to balance sodium levels in the body and limit other risk factors. A high-protein diet can help control blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. Lean meats like chicken and turkey are particularly useful for managing diabetes because they are rich in protein and are lower in saturated fats and cholesterol. For example, 2 large eggs contain around 13 grams of high-quality protein. Eggs are a great source of protein and should be included in your meal plan. You can also switch to tofu or egg whites if you are worried about the high cholesterol content. A healthy diet includes vegetables, whole grains, and proteins. You can prepare eggs in many ways, including scrambled. You can also serve curried egg pitas as salad toppings. You can also serve your eggs on whole grain flatbreads. You can also make tasty cinnamon oatmeal. Add nuts, seeds, and dried fruit to it for added protein. Adding fiber to the diet helps control blood sugar levels. Adding fiber to the diet can improve your overall health and control blood sugar levels. Fiber has numerous health benefits, including promoting healthy bowel habits, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease, and lowering blood sugar levels. Fiber is a nutrient found in many plant-based foods. It is easily incorporated into meals and snacks. It can also lower the risk of heart disease and cancer. This article will discuss the health benefits of fiber and why you should add it to your diet. Insoluble fiber doesn't cause spikes in blood glucose levels and is, therefore, less likely to cause an increase in blood glucose levels after eating. Soluble fiber, on the other hand, helps to keep blood glucose levels under control by slowing down the absorption of sugar from food. Fiber is best consumed before starchy foods. It also helps control cholesterol and lower blood glucose levels by binding to cholesterol particles and passing them through the digestive tract. Adding fiber to the diet will help your digestion stay regular and prevent colon cancer. Adding fiber to the diet is easy and can be added to many dishes. Fiber-rich foods can be eaten alone, or you can make them into a meal by adding them to a recipe. Calculate the carb content of foods you're using as a basis to make the change. A half cup of beans has the same carbohydrate content as a third cup of pasta. In addition to salads, eat some nuts or fruit as a snack. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if this was helpful. Stay healthy and let's beat diabetes.